Hey folks, this is Jeff here with Jeff and Kim, Life in a Day of Life, Jeff and Kim. I'm in the middle of planting some, what do you call it, Abelia Kaleidoscopes. And these are very good plants that can be planted in direct sun and maybe half shade. We're in Georgia, so this is where our home is situated. We get direct sun toward the end of the day, so this is going to work perfectly for that. If you notice here, it's supposed to change colors. If you notice here, I'm going to put the little thing right here. If you could see the difference, it's going to change throughout the year, the different colors. So in the spring, it's going to be this color right here. And then as it gets towards the fall, then it's going to change a little bit. So I'm going to put this over here. We've got 4 that we're going to put down. And I'm getting ready to start digging through the fabric. If you want to point the camera right there, please, and you can see that right there. So I'm going to dig that down, dig through the fabric, and plant these down there.
Wow, you could actually see the color right now. So we bought 4 of them. Hey guys, this is Kimmy. We bought 4 of them. You see Jeff has 1. This is 1, 2, 3. And you could actually see how pretty that is right now with the sun hitting it. They're like lime green right now. And they are kind of spiny, like in the rows. They're bushes, but they do have a little spine on them. Oh my God, it's gonna be so pretty. Let me step out so I can show y'all. Oh wow. So we had 3 bushes here before. You in the way, babe? We had 3 before, and we were replacing it with 4 bushes this time. So this was 3. We pulled up the dead ones, and now we put these beautiful kaleidoscope plants down. Oh my God, that looks so much beautiful already. So they are good, like Jeffrey was saying, with the sun. Because this area gets a lot of sun, so they're gonna be great for that. They do need to be watered till they get fully, acclimated or whatever. Jeffrey got some plant garden soil stuff here. And then what about the watering when we first bought them? I know you watered them because we didn't plant them for 3 days.
Yeah, I just watered a little bit in the bucket. I've seen on YouTube other people say that they kind of leave it in the bucket for a while, so it'll still grow it there, and then later on in the year, I guess they'll plant it in the ground. So, but obviously you want to water it on a regular basis to keep it, especially if it's in the bucket. So we're expecting some rain tomorrow. And that's why I'm trying to do this now, because I don't want to just leave it in the bucket, and I got other things to do in life, you know what I'm saying? So there's so much things to do. So I'm going to get this done, and we'll come back in a little bit.
So just a couple more things though. So these plants, we paid $27 each at our local grower, like a little farm nursery. They were $27 each, so we got 4 of them for $115. And that wasn't bad at all. And they're actually kind of already growing. I mean, sometimes you buy bushes and they're small. Look how nice and full these already are. So if you can get some already full, let me go that direction. It's going to make because I wasn't expecting our bushes to look like this. We just pulled up the old ones. And now here we have these 4 beautiful kaleidoscope. Can I get the tag one more time, Jeff? Let me see. Because you couldn't really see the tag. Let me see, can I make it a little closer? So this is called a Abelia Kaleidoscope, okay?
And there are different versions of the, I guess, Abelias or color. I guess so. There are different versions or types of those.
Yeah, it was one called Pink Lady.
Yeah, they're all different.
A lot of versions.
Yeah, they grow different. And this is only supposed to, I forgot how tall.
3 to 5 feet.
Yeah. So it shouldn't get that large.
3 to 5 feet tall and then 3 feet wide.
Yeah. So you want to get something that's going to kind of cover the area that you want, and at the same time be mindful how tall it is, depending on where you're putting it. You don't want to get something, next thing you know, it's 10 feet tall. You're like, I didn't know about that. Well, you got to know ahead of time what the plant that you're doing.
And these also, the deer don't eat, right, babe?
Yeah.
The deer don't eat them. So when we went to the nursery the other day, the guy there was telling us about deer doesn't eat these. So I want to show you one more time. That's the 4. And again, when it comes to height, you don't want to cover up your window so you cannot see in or out for security reasons, okay? So that's all we got for you. I will read a little quick. It says spring, summer, fall, winter plant, full to part, sun, 24 tall, 36 wide. zone 6, and like Jeffrey mentioned, we're in Georgia, so this is going to be really nice for us. The Kaleidoscope delivers a spectrum of magnificent color, reflecting seasonal transition with its ever-changing display. And plant bursts alive, fresh spring greens and vibrant yellows. And y'all know I love me some colors, so I am so new Kaleidoscope Abelia plants. Okay, so we'll come back, catch part 2 of this video where Jeffrey's actually showing you how to plant them, but we wanted to just do a quick review again on this plant. Bye. Happy gardening. Say bye, Jeffrey.
Bye, people.